Looking for the best brooms to keep your home spotless with ease? In this video, we'll guide you through the top picks that combine durability, efficiency, and comfort to make cleaning effortless. Our channel shares quality videos daily to help you discover the right products for your needs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. 1.0 Cedar Power Corner Pet Pro Broom and Step-On Dustpan. The O-Cedar Power Corner Pet Pro Broom with Dustpan won our top award for its excellent design and performance. It features an angled head and a dual bristle design with firm black bristles on the outside for pulling debris from corners and tight spaces, plus softer gray bristles through the center for capturing and moving the mess onto the dustpan without scattering it. Made of 80% recycled PET, polyethylene terephthalate, the bristles are durable enough to resist shedding and fraying under normal use, though they may wear down on rough surfaces like garage floors. During testing, this O-Cedar broom consistently outperformed the others at cleaning debris in a single sweep versus multiple passes. We were impressed by how well it worked on everything from fine materials like flour and sand to bigger pieces such as rice and cracker crumbs. It also did the best job picking up both light, wispy fluff from our long-haired cat and longer, stiffer hair from our mixed-breed dog. Number 2. Broomby, the original Broomby. Brooms aren't typically full of all that many special features or innovation upgrades, but that's not true for the Broomby. Instead of rows of standard bristles, it has a patented 4-blade, static-charged silicone edge designed to attract fine dust and hair rather than scattering it as you work. During testing, the Broomby was a true all-surface cleaning tool. It was great for picking up everything from everyday dust, dirt, and hair to cleaning up once-in-a-while issues that need special attention like broken glass and spilled liquids. It's the lightest broom we tested, and also the only broom that's washable, which made it more hygienic than traditional options, as well as super easy to maneuver. In terms of downsides, the silicone edge took a little getting used to. On top of that, it's not the best for heavy debris like gravel, and it comes at a more premium price than other options, especially considering it doesn't come with a dustpan. Number 3. Bona Premium Multi-Surface Sweep and Clean Mop. The Bona Premium Multi-Surface Microfiber Broom is another unique option on our list. It comes with 2 cleaning pads, an electrostatic sweeping pad for hair, dust, and fine debris, and a looped, deep cleaning pad for breaking up dirt and absorbing messes. The 16.56-inch head is built to cover quite a bit of ground with each pass, and it has flexible corners to protect baseboards and furniture from scuffs. The telescoping handle adjusts between 34 and 52 inches to accommodate different tasks and user heights. During testing, the Bona mop performed well overall, easily corralling hair and fine debris with a single pass. It's incredibly lightweight for such a wide cleaning tool, which we found particularly helpful for cleaning dust off walls and cobwebs from corners. Also, since it is so wide, it's really nice that the corners are rubberized, as this means you won't have to worry about scratching corners or furniture feet, though it's not the best for tight spaces. Number 4. OXO Large Sweep Set with Extendable Broom. The OXO Sweep Set lives up to the brand's reputation for thoughtful design with user-friendly features that make sweeping easier. The 10.8-inch wide broom has an extendable handle that goes from 36 to nearly 55 inches, which is ideal for reaching under furniture or into tight corners. This flagged soft bristle broom is excellent for completely capturing dust, dirt, and hair for neat collection via the included locking dustpan. Though it comes at a slightly higher price, the superior quality of this set quickly became obvious during testing. The handles on both the broom and dustpan have ergonomic shapes and padded non-slip grips that are significantly nicer than those on any of the other tools we tested. The dustpan has a typical rubber lip that makes it easier to clear that last line of dirt, as well as narrow teeth at the back for easy removal of hair and debris. But what makes it extra special is that it locks in place so it doesn't just tip back up when you try to empty it. Number 5. Treeland Broom and Dustpan Set with Long Handle. The Treeland Broom and Dustpan Set tackles one of the most annoying aspects of sweeping, constantly bending over to use the dustpan. It comes with a 52-inch adjustable broom handle with a 10-inch wide broom and a 38.5-inch dustpan handle with an 11.4-inch wide opening. The broom has dense flag bristles for fine dust, hair, and debris, and the dustpan's rubber edge sits flush to the floor to minimize annoying lines of leftover dirt. One thing we really liked about this set was the narrow set built-in comb teeth at the back of the dustpan. They're short and close set with a scraper bar behind that we found quite effective. Plus, the broom and dustpan snap together for compact, upright storage. The set is a little heavier than similar combos, though it's still relatively lightweight since it's all plastic. That means it might not hold up as well as a metal set would.